Ta-da! Hey, look what I did. I made a tower out of blocks. And look how high I made it. I did it all by myself. I love playing with blocks. And I love making big, tall, beautiful towers out of blocks. So, what do you think? Isn't it terrific?
Chooga, 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 chooga. Oh, wow. Chooga, chooga,
Oh, no,
chooga,
look at that.
chooga, chooga,
Elmo and Zoe are playing with that train, and that ramp is headed straight here for my block tower. Why, if they let that train go down the ramp, it'll smash right into my tower and knock it down. Hey, Elmo, Zoe, stop.
chooga, 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 chooga.
Hey, did you hear me? I said stop.
Chooga, 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 chooga. Oh,
No! No! Oops. Oh, look what you did. You crashed my block tower.
sorry.
Sorry? Sorry? That's all you gotta say is you're sorry? Well, you only just busted up the nicest block tower I've ever made.
It's only a flat tower, Big Bird. Yeah. Well, you can make another one.
It's only a block tower. It's only a block tower. Why, it was a big and beautiful block tower, and I worked really hard on it. It took me a long time. I really loved that block tower.
You did?
Yeah, I did. And you busted it. Now I'm really sad, and I'm angry, too.
Big Bird is angry at Elmo and Zoe?
Yes, I am.
Big Bird, Elmo's really sorry. Me too. It was an accident. Yeah, when Zoe and Elmo sent the train down the ramp, Zoe and Elmo weren't looking where they were going. Yeah. We didn't mean to crash your block tower. And we really didn't mean to make you sad and angry.
Well, I guess I know you didn't do it on purpose.
We are very, very sorry. You know, Big Bird, those blocks of yours, they look very nice.
You know, I was just thinking that your train looks very nice.
You know, if we put the blocks and the train together...
Why, we could build some more tracks for your train out of my blocks.
Oh, yeah. We can ride that train on your track.
Yeah.
And we could make bridges and tunnels. Yeah, and we could ride that train all the way to Oscar's can.
Yeah. Oscar's trash can?
Yeah. See, we're carrying a couple of old banana peels to Oscar in the train. That's why we were coming this way. Yeah.
Oh, I thought I smelled something kind of funny. Well, let's take your train and my blocks, and we'll make some more tracks and get those banana peels over to Oscar.
Yeah. The Banana Peel Express. On its way. Woo-woo.
Make way for the Banana Peel Express.
Elmo got something that you want. You got something that Elmo wants. Put both some things together and share.
I'll take my something that you like. You take your something that I like. Then put both things together and share.
One for all for one. Sharing everything for fun. Maybe one something is little.
Maybe one something is bigger.
But hey, what else can we figure to do? Except to share all my every something with you.